Please raise your hand, introduce yourself and ask the question.
check. हाय वरुण, हाय कृति, व्हाट्सअप आलोक। मैं बहुत बढ़िया हूँ और गाना बहुत ताबड़तोड़ है और अपबीट है तो डांस करने में मजा आएगा। सवाल ये है कि आप दोनों से सवाल है कि कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनके द्वारा आपके मन में इमोशन जागता है और आप इमोशनली हो जाते हैं?
इमोशनली इस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में जो इमोशन जो इमोशन है इसमें आई थिंक इट्स मोर प्लेफुल एंड फन बिकॉज जो ये लव स्टोरी ऐसे ही शुरू होती है जहाँ लड़का ट्राई कर रहा है लड़की के लिए और उसको देख के इसके मन में इमोशन जागरूक होता है। तो आई थिंक मेरे साथ काफी बार हुआ है। जब मैं पहली बार कॉलेज गया था तो रोज डे था एंड आई सॉ दिस रियली ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल, तो मेरे मन में इमोशन जगा, बट देन आई रियलाइज दैट गर्ल वाज डेटिंग समवन एल्स, तो फिर एक और नया इमोशन आया। बट व्हाट अबाउट यू कृति?
क्या देख के इमोशन जागता है? आई थिंक आई रियली लव डांसिंग, सो एक्चुअली मुझे जब डांस करने को मिलता है, लाइक व्हाट यू सॉ, आई रियली फील हैप्पी एंड या there are a lot of things.
Actually she's a different person when we are shooting a song and she's a different person when we are shooting a scene.
Rubbish.
Yeah, she's much better. जब आप गाना शूट कर रहे हो कृति सैनन कृति स्वान के साथ, तो वो मच बेटर है, उनका मूड बहुत अच्छा रहता है, खुश रहती है। और इस गाने में तो इतनी ठंडी थी तो मुझे तो बल्गेरियन लग रही थी उधर ईस्टर्न यूरोप में।
मैं ठंडी थी या वहां पे ठंडी थी?
नहीं आप तो गर्म थे उधर, पर वातावरण में ठंड थी।
अभी तो नहीं, लेकिन जब ये Q&A खत्म होगा तो एक गुजारिश होगी कि आप दोनों अगर हम कर सकें इस गाने को।
ये बहुत अच्छा गाता है, बहुत।
मुझे पता है, इसीलिए मैंने बोला कि वरुण अभी या आखिरी में।
हाँ, ओए I'll do the dance step. I'll do one step.
So we've spent a lot of money.
इस गाने को देख के मन में क्या है? Actually, I've seen this song for the first time. मैं अभी गोवा से ही वापस आया हूँ in the 7:30 morning flight and genuinely मैं थोड़ा बहुत nervous था क्योंकि एक तो वो डॉल्बी का introduction ऐसा हुआ कि मैंने बोला can we live up to this? तो the hype was so much and then when I saw the song and heard it with the atmosphere and everything, I was quite happy and this is my 13th song with Remo D'Souza. So that is also a very proud moment. It's the 11th song in a year. In 1 year, me and he have done 11 songs, which is an achievement in itself. And he couldn't be here today, but for me that is also a very emotional, मन में emotional जागने वाला चीज.
About the song, even I saw it for the first time actually. I had seen a very short version of it, and I really loved it. I mean, I was very happy. I was telling him बीच में मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. But the locations, everything around, you know, I think it's very funky. It has a lot of color, and Remo sir's done a fabulous job with the choreography. And I think हम दोनों भी अच्छे ही लग रहे हैं.
I think हम खुश होके क्या करेंगे? The audience has to react to this.
आपके मन में emotion जागना चाहिए, जागा या नहीं? That's what I want to know.
And usually you're not very happy in other events, so I'm not going to take the name of which one, but thanks.
Let's move on to the next question, please. Yeah.
Hi Varun, this is Urvi here from Pinkula. To your
Urvi, what's up? How's it going?
Hi, good. Varun, I just read that in this song during the shoot you had to jump from almost
That truck.
12
Yeah.
from the truck. Was there any kind of nervousness that you had?
I'll tell you two things that happened and don't kill me for this. So the shot was that I jumped from this truck. I can stand on these? Okay, sorry. So I jumped from a truck and I like, come here na Kriti.
Are you jumping
Just
on
jump.
me or
No,
what?
I won't jump on you, stand over. So I had to jump from the truck and
1 second, the truck was much higher, right?
exactly, the truck was much higher so I looked much taller than Kriti. तो जब मैं ट्रक पे था तो मैं
और
बोल
वो
रहा
truck पे
था
क्या लिखा था?
जो भी लिखा था, क्या लिखा था?
Size doesn't matter.
Size doesn't matter, ठीक है, वो मैंने लिखा था. But when I was in truck, I was saying, हर्षा, क्या रे? I was very happy. I was feeling big. ट्रक पे हूँ मैं, पहली बार एंट्री हो रही है. ट्रक से कट टू जंप एंड वी रीच डाउन. तब ऐसे हो गया.
And he usually stands like this only, so it's very
I
big.
have a wide stance to stand like that. तो तब मैंने बोला ये क्या हो गया?
और फिर तब
तो रेमो सर ने बोला कि
ये
बड़ा
हो गया.
डांस, he said बड़ा डांस करो. We can't have you squatting too much and all that stuff. But overall, I think the truck is Rohit sir's idea that तू ट्रक से एंट्री करना, गाड़ी वाड़ी बहुत हो गई अभी. तो I think I was a little scared that I don't get hurt, but then during a photo shoot, जब Kriti jumped, she did fall. So I think she should answer.
Yeah, because I don't do it usually. He's very used to
I'm not
doing
jumping
action
from
and stuff.
trucks every day.
But you're used to doing action. I've never
is my
done it.
first role
But he
for
actually
people.
taught me how to fall and how to
fall?
Yeah, in the sense how to you need
हाँ.
to squat a little and all.
हाँ.
Also, Kriti, Varun, same, Urvi.
Urvi.
Varun is known for his, dance, and he has worked with Remo. This was the first time you are doing a hip hop number. How nervous were you when you had to match steps with him?
एक तो I think coming from Tiger to Varun firstly, I think मेरी ट्रेनिंग हो रही है अभी मुझे लग रहा है because मुझे ऐसे ही डांसर टाइप एक्टर्स मिल रहे हैं जो बहुत ही फाड़ू डांस
Third film is with Prabhu Deva.
So, but yeah, I was a little nervous considering the fact that he was coming after ABCD 2, and I had seen, and he had become he was dancing like a professional dancer, and of course Remo sir choreographing it. So there was this little bit of nervousness, but I think when we started rehearsing, it did go fine. I mean, the only thing with him is that you really have to push yourself to be that energetic because he's always jumping. मैंने पूरी पिक्चर में हील नहीं पहनी,
क्या ये आपके लिए
मैंने अभी भी हील नहीं पहनी है.
क्या आपके लिए ये डिसएडवांटेज था या एडवांटेज था?
No, I love wearing flats. Yeah, heels तो मतलब बहुत लोग होते हैं जिनको पहननी पड़ती है to look tall. I think it's an advantage. I don't like wearing heels. They're very uncomfortable. Actually, इस फिल्म में इतना सारा कुछ है that I remember telling रोहित sir कि आप पता नहीं कैसे काटोगे ट्रेलर because it's very difficult to actually show all of it. Shut up.